stuck again.
Pizza focacceria. That was the baby. That was the baby's fart. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. No way. You should have seen the waiter's face. You should have seen the waiter's face. No way. No way. No.
Giving you the free knee.
Okay. Does he double his cocktail glasses? He went deep into my finger. He went deep into my finger. This isn't long enough. Right in my face. Put him in the beer. It was Wormy's stream all along. Where's Quad? Oh my god. Look! Look what it is! Quad, your answers, your prayers have been answered. Look at this. Look at this sweetness. Oh yes, you want to be pet. You want to be pet. we out in Petro. We out in Petro, chat. We're zooming by feet.
And from here you have a unique point of view, because only from this point you can see all 7 bridges on the left. There are people who say they are in one line. That may be when you drunk something or have a smoke, then it's in one line, but when you are sober, it's not in a line, but there are still 7 bridges. And all these old low bridges.
It's huge. It's huge, you guys.
Here we are. So.
It's a moment.
Prego.
Grazie mille.
Prego. And we want to put this sign this way here, Bergamotto.
Bergamotto.
Okay.
Bellissimo. Grazie.
Fantastico. A te, prego.
Sprayed. The bird got misted. Chat. The bird got misted. Look it. Look it. We've gone full circle, chat. We've gone full circle. I was here. I was here both times. Let me get some hype in chat, please. It's not just any mist. It's bergamot mist. We meet again. We must always pay respect to the origins. Cheers. Salute. I can't do it. I can't do it again. I thought I was going to be able to do it with a straight face. To the origins. That's right, Quad. I can't do it with a straight face. Golden hour with Wormy.
Controls the lights and you don't have to
The
worry
box controls the lights.
But it's just like cheap Amazon stuff. I didn't get the Philips. I didn't want...
Don't give it to him for free. That's it. That's all you guys get. That's all you guys get.
Wait, what about...
Nope. No more free farts.
But I want...
I'm muting. They don't get free farts.
Really?
No way.
It's
the premium.
ASMR, yeah.
No free farts. You guys thought you were slick.
Farts. Oh, wow.
You thought you were slick, free farts. You gotta pay for the premium.
Ah!
Okay.
What? Are you joking?
He never saw your leaking. He never saw your leaking. How is this possible?
What the fuck?
How is this possible?
What is wrong with this? What is she doing?
How is this possible?
How is that legal?
You're such a normie.
But how is that okay?
Did you just say legal?
Well, I mean on Twitch.
Normanthial.
But that can't be good for the microphone.
Well.
Oh God! Fuck you, woman.
He's ruined. He's ruined. So I got chutney. Or no, I got curry. I got curry.
Why didn't you just try the mayonnaise?
I know what mayo tastes like.
No,
Why would I
it's
subject
different.
myself
It's different
to
over
white
there.
goo in my mouth?
You are
Meows,
acclimated.
clip it, and ship it.
You're
Go now.
acclimated to, like, Hellmann's and
Chucky wants to frolic. Chucky wants to be a bad deer.
Okay, there you go.
This, I don't know what this is. 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 This is the frolic. This is the frolic.
I think this is our In the Club voice. I don't remember. Is this? First one is Robot. Aga Aga. Do we need to make a dance song called Aga Aga? Aga Aga. Ooh. Kidnapper. Nice. Real voice exposed.
This I don't know. This I don't know.
That's the problem. I forget what I have programmed.
Oh, what was that? And I'm not dead? What the hell was that? I've never seen him do that. What the hell? This is Pink Floyd. Is this a prank?